What is happening to this generation? Your ancestors no fit stop the gospel of the Lord Jesus in Igbo land. Upon all the juju where they get, upon all the idol where they worship, our ancestors, then they're faithful to their gods, to their idol, more than you generation now, more than all these native doctors and there's one in Igbo land. Our ancestors, they're more powerful, more strong than all these native doctors and there's one in this generation. And our ancestors receive the gospel of the Lord Jesus. They drop their idol, they drop their offer, they drop their ogugu, they follow Jesus Christ. And you, when don't know anything, go on. You want to fight Christianity where your ancestors no fit fight. You want to fight Christianity where your ancestors no even conquer. Your ancestors who laid the foundation of that idol way they worship, no fit conquer them. And you will get some more power. One fight waiting your ancestors no fit fight. Your ancestors surrender their life to Christ. All those big cathedrals where they see, all those land, our ancestors they fear to enter that land. Because of the split that is in charge in that forest, then carry and give church. Church enter that place, conquer, build church. Then see the power. Check it. All these so many places where they see all these big cathedral churches. Some of them are evil forest. Some of them are a place where I do day, where even our ancestors they fear to enter that land. But church come that place and conquer that place with the power of Jesus Christ. All these big churches where they see in Igbo land and all these big cathedrals, go read their history. Some of them are Ajofia. If somebody buy, they will guide that person, put that place. Church stay them okay. Church take all those places, all these Ajofia, evil forest. Church take it, then conquer the spirit in charge in that forest. Then build their church. Our ancestors saw the power. They said that these people are different. Their power is more powerful than our own. They submit, they charm and follow Jesus Christ. And you, when you don't know anything, you want to come to fight gospel when our ancestors no fit fight.